Welcome back, everyone. Still playing around Microsoft's new Florence-base model. We had a request to do an image search through a directory tree. We decided to try to leverage the power of Florence to see if we could pull that off. We have done it with the ResNet and the Google Fit models previously. So we just wanted to run through and try it out with the new Florence model. Here's the notebook we have, so we'll go ahead and load all of our libraries. Here's the function that actually, you'll notice it just calls the model for inference. We pass in an image, the prompt, and then we're not going to pass in any text input. That's another option that you can add to. We'll get into that probably in a different video. Let's just go ahead and run this. Next, here's where we take our bounding box plots back and we return the plot with the image with the bounding boxes. Here's where we take our data and format it properly. Here we're going to loop through our images directory to get all of the images that we want to conduct the search on. Our methodology was to first caption all the images, go through all the images, load them up, run inference, run a caption, store that caption along with the image path in a dictionary, and then search through that dictionary and return the images with the corresponding search term. Then apply the bounding box and render it to the screen. We're going to go through that. You'll see the actual execution here shortly. So here's where we do the search for the matching term in the dictionary. This is the actual call that we run through and search all the images. This is the initial setup where we give it the directory path. It returns all of the images. Then it goes through and processes all the images right here and returns the captions dictionary with the image path. Let's just go ahead and do a run all. What you're going to see here, so the first term is cleaning the floor. The second term is bottles. Then we have charger, Ferrari, stroller, desk, and bulldog. I wanted to call out these specifically because the Florence model that we ran actually highlighted the fact that the automobiles in those specific images were of that make. So that was pretty impressive from our perspective. I don't know if you can hear the fans kicking up as it's inferencing or captioning all the images. That's what you hear right there. Once that gets completed, then it's going to jump in and conduct the search. So this is kind of a backwards way. We're not actually searching on the image, rather we're searching on the image captions. So you have cleaning the floor. You see the highlight there, the man cleaning the floor. You have bottles, so it picked up the Coke bottles and then the bottles on the store shelf. Let's get store shelf. Here's the charger I was telling you about. So it's a police vehicle, but it actually recognized that it was the charger. Same here with Ferrari. Here we did a search for stroller and it picked up the baby stroller. We did desk, it picked up the desk here as well as in this image here. And finally we did bulldog, huge Georgia Bulldog fan, go dogs, so it picked out the bulldog. There you have it. That is directory image search using Florence-2 through captioning. Thank you for your time. FalconsAI 125.